Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Yes, so this was the last topic where we had stopped, and the topic for today, which we're going to cover, is degree and the leading coefficient of a polynomial. So, what's a degree? The degree of a term is the sum of the powers of each variable in that term. So, what term? Let's take any term. 7. So, any term, let us take 7xy squared. So in this, which is the degree of this term? The degree of this term is, did you guess? Yes, the degree of the term is 3. Why? Because this is to the power of 1. So we have to add, right, the powers. So it is 3 is the degree. Now, the next thing. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degree of all the terms. Now, if I have a term like 7xy squared plus this is an expression of all the terms, which is the degree of the polynomial, we'll see 8xy to the power 4 plus 3xy to the power z to the power 6. So in this complete, let me just take on this x. Oh, yeah. So in this, what is the degree of the polynomial? Yes, the degree is 6 because this is the highest degree, right? Next, you cannot add, okay, 4, this is not there. You cannot add over here. This has the power of 1, so you cannot add 2 plus 1, 3 and do it. So no. Okay, over here you have to check it. If I have over here 5, for example, now if I had 8pq 5, so then you would have said 5 plus 1 over here, it is 6, no ma'am, it's 6, right? So how can this be the highest degree? Because over here also, if you have added over here also you should add then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So over here we'll see that this is the highest degree. The coefficient of the highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called its leading coefficient of the polynomial. We'll take this expression itself. So the coefficient of the highest power of the variable. So of this, what is the coefficient? This. So in a polynomial, it's called leading coefficient. So the leading coefficient over here is 3x minus 6. I hope this is correct. Next, determine the degree of polynomials and their leading coefficient. We'll be doing. Basically, we'll have to look at what's the question. 14p square cube. 14p square cube minus 12p square plus 2p cube. So in this, what is the determine the degree of the polynomials and the leading coefficients? Degree of the polynomials. So what is the degree of the polynomials? The degree of the polynomials is, kindly check it. Yes, it's 3. So you are right, the degree of the polynomials is 3. We cannot take as it has 4 by adding, because 3 is greater than 1. Okay, this is also 1. Degree of the polynomials is then what is the leading coefficient? What is the leading coefficient? Yes, you are right. The leading coefficient is 2pq. Because this is the leading coefficient. Why? Yes, because this has the highest variable. The next thing is number line and an expression. Now, how can we represent an expression on a number line? So, for instance, consider the expression x plus 5. Let us see the variable x has a position x on the normal line. So it can have any position, right? It's up to yes, but x may be anywhere on the normal line, but it is definite that the value of x plus 5 is given by a point P 5 units to the right of x plus 5. So plus when it comes, we have to move towards the right. So x plus 5 itself, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to go plus 5 itself to reach it. Similarly, x minus 4 will be 4 units from x and so on. For example, we have to draw x minus 4. Somewhere we consider 0 to be here, here 1, here something. So x, let's see over here x. So minus 4, coming 4 steps minus 2, 3, 4. So over here will be another point, let's take it as s. So x minus 4 we have represented it on a normal line. So our next topic will be adding expressions, and I'll show you. For now we are done, and all those things which we had to cover, basically the coefficients, leading coefficient, degree, and everything we have completed. We are now moving on to addition and subtraction of expressions. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have any doubts, kindly place it in the comments box. Keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you.